Do you know your room has a climate killer? Sure, it does. Look up. Air conditioners, with their HFC's refrigerant, emit large volumes of greenhouse gases and contribute to the greenhouse effect. Not just air conditioners, but most refrigeration equipment uses HFC refrigerants.
So using refrigeration means the planet will get hotter, and we will face a cold crunch. It is expected that by 2040, the use of space cooling energy will have doubled what it is today due to the rising demand for air conditioners. Undoubtedly, it's a vicious cycle.
It's time to make change. To begin with, let's see how an air conditioner works now. Refrigerants absorb the heat indoors. The heat is transferred and released to the outdoor space. Then the fan blades would blow fresh cool air into the room. Over the last century, the cooling technology of air conditioners has not experienced considerable changes.
However, the technology will definitely be replaced in the future. This is because all these factors, from Freon to HFC, are detrimental to the environment. Montreal Protocol on Substances that deplete the ozone layer has also established controls on HFCs.
So, what kind of alternatives are there?
Annalkynes, just as it can be called when slow is melting. The transformation of substances between solid and liquid states occurs with great thermal effects, heat absorbing or releasing. Therefore, we suppose that the material can also absorb a lot of heat and thus get cooled by changing from a solid to a liquid state through pressurization. After lots of attempts and screening, we found annalkynes.
This is an opportunity to change something that has long-lasting harmful effects on our lives.
This innovative technological path means that common materials in the market, such as house insulation, cooking oil, can actually work as good refrigerants under undemanding conditions. Meanwhile, they do not produce any environmentally or biologically harmful gases, which is beneficial to the environment.
It also indicates that the collective major changes we are making to address climate change do not necessarily require building massive infrastructure.
Perhaps some of the solutions are in our homes, and perhaps the future application of new refrigeration technology for air conditioners and refrigerators can lead to massive drop in carbon emissions.